Beanie roll call. What's up, I'm Aya? C-O-L-E-T Colette. Hey, 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 my lord, coming your way. This is Gwen. Stacy, you can't beat me. I got what is that? Hands up for Mika. Let's go. I'm Joanna. Yeah, it's your girl Sheena. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ate Gwen, say hi!
Oh my god.
Oh, tapos na! Hi!
He's not here! Guys, I'm not joking. He's not... Oh, I'm scared. Like, he might run to me and then spike me out of nowhere. This entire time I was here, I didn't even know he was gone. What the heck? Kidding me. Like, is this a prank? Ay! Oh! I found the... He's in my underwear. What the heck, Daichi? What the heck? I'm obviously not gonna show you my underwear. But what the heck are you doing here? What the heck? Why?
You! No words! English? Ano letters? I don't know! I don't know!
Very good. Tama ka. Hindi nyo ba na gusto malaman kung ano yung ano talaga? Ano ba sa act of the word ang gagawin? Kailangan din ito to na. Pasaya.
Okay, hindi ako magre-react. Nakita niyo yun, nahulog yung earrings ko. Tapos binalik ko sa table, tignan niyo, oh, hala, sige, bata ka. Center pa naman ako. O, di ba? Noon pala center na ako eh. Wala ako sa beat. Grabe talaga ako makatembot noon, guys. Ako ang totoong pabito. Macarena. Diba? Ako talaga pinakamagaling guys kaya sa center. Oh. Saan ka punta, be? Uy, ano ba naman? Ay, ayun lang pala. Ayun, tapos na. Ayun. Ayun.
Blooms, upo nga, inom akong tubig! Ulit-ulit naman kayo eh. Teka, kumakain pa kasi ako. Ayun, kumakain pa ako, di ba? May inom akong tubig pagtapos. Gusto nyo sabay-sabay inom tubig habang kumakain, ganun. Nag-chat na nanay ko. Kasi kayo eh. Dahil sa inyo kasalanan nito, pinagalitan pa ako. Kasalanan nyo to.
Na may rambutan, oh. Lychee daw. Rambutan to sa amin.
Yung lamig tumutusok sa aking organs. Hindi mo ba alam na dati akong packer?
Oh, you're a mother packer na nga now.
Ang tagal po ng biyahe. Hindi ko in-expect. Kasi diba, pag narinig mo yung Las Vegas, Los Angeles, sabi parang magkalapit lang sa parehong L.
It's a party in the USA!
First honor.
Sabi ko, react naman ng princess.
We went to Baguio to buy strawberries cheesecake from New York.
Ate Aya, makita mo yung...
So good that I finish it bone to bone.
What food is the best? Sorry? What food is the best? Food? Yeah. No.
Running fever in this very small cage. Very small cage.
They're gonna perform outside.
Wow! Love surprises.
Ubus na ubus ng English.
So amazing! The pigeons is flying like this! Pero kumakanta sa gilid, so kailangan mas magaling kami sa kanya.
One we discovered here in LA, so let's go. Kakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today. I am Shano.